Okay guys, I'm back. It's been a while since I've done a little update on Fluttercoin. Excuse me. For the last few weeks, or I don't know, I think it's been almost a month, I've just been debugging some minor issues with the wallet and a few other things. One thing I wanted to show you, I'm kind of excited for. There's not a Windows release yet, but Ubuntu users and Linux users get to see it first, so I'm going to log in here to my Ubuntu desktop. Okay, so I don't have any shortcuts set up, right? The Fluttercoin Qt desktop shortcut I think is broke at the moment, so I'll have to work on getting that fixed. But I'm going to show you one of the changes they've been working on. Maybe if I can get rid of my terminal here, there we go. And there we go, a skinned wallet. I guess theme would be more correct. If you don't have any themes installed, this menu option will not show up. And I'm going to show you how to get a couple of themes. Right now all I have is Blackwood, so we're going to exit out of here. I didn't finish setting up my desktop, so bear with me just a second. I have a couple of skins up for download, themes up for download on the website. I'm still kind of debating on how I want it to look and how to display them. Would that be what I'm looking for, I guess? And you gotta forgive me, like I said, I haven't really got my remote desktop set up and stuff, but here we go. Here's a couple themes. So what you want to do is you want to grab one. We'll go ahead and open it with the Archive Manager. Get this out of the way. And you want to extract it. Okay, so it's //.fluttercoin/themes. It should extract fine. You may actually have to create this directory. We'll go ahead and extract it. We'll make sure the file showed up properly. Sometimes they'll end up in a sub folder. And it's all there, good. Minimize that for a minute. Get rid of that. Oops, wrong thing. Oh, it's up here. And if you don't see anything showing up in my terminal, I'm not quite sure what's up with that. I really don't. And I don't know if I can make it show up properly. There we go. A little transparency fun there. Okay. Now we should have a new theme, blue. And it's instantly switching. One nice thing about this is you can actually, while your client's running, go in and edit one of the files that you have already downloaded. Switch back and forth, and the updates you make to the files are instantaneous. No need to restart. So I'll do one more for you here. I put one up on the forums, kind of something I was just tinkering around with. And as far as I'm concerned, it's ugly as all get out. But it was fun trying to learn how they did it. Okay, we'll go ahead and download it here. We'll go ahead and open it again with the Archive Manager, or whatever you choose to do. Minimize that. We'll extract it. Oop, got that backwards. Let me try that again there. Okay, make sure they're there. I called it eggplant. I don't know if that's a good name for it or not, but it's rather ugly, but it was a fun attempt, like I said, so. Okay, we've got our wallet open. Eggplant. Nah, I couldn't think of a better name, but there we go. I haven't skinned any of the menus or anything like that yet. I'm still not quite sure how or what these Qt forms are actually called, so I'll work on that another time. There is one more thing. for the Ubuntu users. Why keeps defaulting my color to black? There we go. Okay. I did a little changing on the PPA, so some programs have changed where they're at. If you have any issues loading up the new wallet, you'll actually have to sudo apt get remove Fluttercoin Qt and Fluttercoin D. These will in no way affect your wallet. It seems I missed in the build package for the Ubuntu PPA. For some reason, the original developers before we came along was throwing Fluttercoin D into the libraries and then running a script. I haven't the foggiest clue why they did that. But if you have problems, go to your user share file, user bind file. Just ls flutter asterisk, see if you get anything. If you do, delete it. You're not going to hurt anything. And do user live too. And if you find something, delete it. Oops. Bad habit. I don't think there is any. Okay, good. And just sudo apt-get install Fluttercoin Qt and Fluttercoin D if you need both. Helps to spell it right. And there we go. And none of your settings should change. And like I said, the desktop shortcut icon link's all messed up. I'm still working on trying to get that fixed. And there we go. Right back at it. Pretty fun. I don't think they're... the block browser and traffic graph has been moved to a tools section now. I think that's something I haven't covered. I don't know if you guys have seen the traffic graph. I think I showed it in an earlier version. Yeah, I might have. But every part of the program is skinnable. If you notice, I haven't skinned any of this or anything, so. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think there is. Well, there is more, but they gagged me, so I can't tell you guys what's coming up. I think you're gonna love it. I don't even know if I can hint against it. Let's just say you'll be getting a rare chance to get more money on a proof of stake. Won't tell you how, but when it's released, I'll explain it and how it works and all that fun stuff. So until next time, I will see you guys again.